So good morning guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Neville Fernandez and आज हम जा रहे हैं छोटे राइड पे. So right now I'm leaving from house. So we are going for a ride, is a small ride which is Dudhsagar. So right now I'm in Margao. So guys, let's gear up and get ready for the ride. This ride is going to be really very adventurous because after 30, I am 32 today and for first time I am going towards Dudhsagar. So yeah, you don't know when your time comes to visit that place, but one or the other day you're surely going to make it if you have that will to do it. So yeah, Moana is ready and let's get ready for the ride. So let's on the ignition and set and get ready. I'm very excited and I'm very nervous to record also. So yeah, the Moana is on and the ride will begin now. Wow. So here we go and the ride begins. So right now it's around 1.5 hours ride and it's showing around 60 kilometers. So we are left from Margao and it's like Ambaji we call this place as, and we'll be heading towards Fatorda and like the route as goes. Yeah, very excited. I had many plans, so before it was like going to a resort, then I was like going to Salalim Dam, and then like I don't know, my mind changed and planned for this Dudhsagar ride. It's called the Dudhsagar waterfalls, which is at Collem. So there are many ways to go. 8:34. So I plan to go by bike. So finally we have reached towards Fatorda, and on the right side it's one of the only stadium of Goa, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. So here right now only football matches goes. Wow. So we have almost finally we are going to reach towards our destination, which is just some meters ahead. So yeah, on the right hand side you can see it's a Collem railway station, which is good for every traveler who are traveling by train. So if you get down at Collem, you'll reach over here. So it's very nearby, walking distance. And here I've reached my destination. So we'll look for parking. We'll park our vehicle and then proceed towards. I don't know what is the procedure, but we'll have to look for it. So right now we have reached Collem station. The Collem station के पास में ही है. There is this parking area. You can do the parking, and here you can meet this guy. He helps in parking this place. So there is 4-wheeler, 2-wheelers, everything is paid and parked. So the vehicle is not damaged or anything. They take care of it. So guys, whenever you come, so this is the place where you park the vehicle and you can enjoy your ride.
Trekking. We are doing also trekking here in a monsoon season. You interested in a trekking from here to waterfall? It's a monsoon starting. You interested? Then call me. My number is 9673567729. You call me and come to trek and enjoy the trekking.
What's your good name by the way?
Raju.
Raju. So his good name is Raju. So you can contact him. He has given you the number. So anytime you reach here, this will help you to enjoy your adventure at Dudhsagar waterfalls. So finally guys, we have booked the ticket. So बुकिंग टिकट के लिए वेबसाइट पे जाना पड़ता है, फिर उधर पे करके काउंटर पे जाना पड़ता है, फिर उधर से पे करके फिर आपको जीप मिलती है. So finally this is our jeep which we are going to travel. So yeah, from here it is almost 45 journey, 45 minutes journey, sorry. So it is 45 minutes journey. फिर वहाँ से वो लोग गाइड करेंगे क्या करना है, and you get only 1.5 hours to spend over there. So there is limited time. So right now we have started our journey. It's going to be a 45 journey, but it's going to be very adventurous in the jeep. And so they take around 7 people in one jeep. So there are some boys with us. So the Dudhsagar ride has begun, and the off-roading in the jeep is going to be too much fun. It's going to be very crazy. So yeah, right now we are entering towards the forest. It's Collem forest. So here we are going to halt. We need to do the entry over here. The forest entry, and so this is the entry. You have to pay 100 rupees per person, and from you one vehicle only one entry your details. So I am doing the entry for everyone. So let's enter our details. So yeah, we'll enter here. You have to write the number and the 297. After finishing this, we'll be some vehicle. हाँ ये चाह वही 3771. Neville. NEVI. He is a driver who is guiding us, and also a guide. So he will carry forward with all the details on the ride. 86 102 533 533.
कैमरा भी ना प्लास्टिक की जाहिल होगा ना
प्लास्टिक का ही ना मोबाइल. So this is the way we are going through. This is the forest. Yep. This is our vehicle. Ticket D. Okay.
ती दिस गाडी सगळ्या कोणाची असं तितल्यांनी धाडटा बारिश में पूरा भर जाता रहता है 4 मिनट बंद रहते हैं साइड में पूरा सुपारी का झाड़ है ग्रीन कलर यानी कि रक्षा करता है ना गार्डियन बोलते हैं
So more 5 minutes to go.
waterfall sir
Okay, the waterfall.
वीडियो बना फोटो बना पानी कम है समर है ना
I'll end my vlog over here for today. Finally done the adventure of Dudhsagar. So from the it's once you reach to the destination, from there you have to do a small trek of 15 minutes, and after that you reach the exact waterfall location. So it was really very amazing, and I enjoyed it a lot. It was my first time, so I was excited as well, and that excitement was really good for me, and I enjoyed a lot. Actually, I was alone in the water, but there were many people who helped over there. If you don't know to swim, they help you. There is life jacket, but then too you are scared, that fear goes once you go inside the water. So when you go, please do go inside the water. Don't be scared, just try to float yourself. So this was the amazing adventure of Dudhsagar, and I really liked it. Hope you guys also love this vlog, and if you love this vlog, please do like it, and if you like it, please subscribe and share with your friends, family and everyone, and all the details I have mentioned in my vlog, so you will come to know whenever you come. Thank you.